Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn to perform a one-liner if condition in Python. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've created some Python code. So basically, I've created a score with the value 0 and a win variable storing the string yes. And what I've done is I've created a one-liner if condition. The score will be 100 if win is equal to yes, else 50. So let's see how does this work. If I run this, as you can see, when I print score, the value is displayed as 100. Let's say I change the win condition, that is no, and now if I check the code, as you can see, the value of the variable score is now 50. So let's understand the syntax of this one-liner if-else condition. What we do is, first we insert the value that we require if the condition persists, else we will just place in another variable that would be replaced if the condition does not persist. So now if I run the code, as you can see, now we're getting 50. If I change this variable again to yes, then we get 100. So that's it from this really quick video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.